We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. So today's video is going to be kind of interesting for me to do. I just decided that, you know what, I want to do a young little update, but I'm going to do it while I am indulging on some KFC. I've been craving KFC literally my entire ignore that, but you know what is perfection? I really don't care. I've been through too much and I just feel like, you know what, perfection is not a thing for me, and I'm done trying to chase perfection. This is me. And yeah, so today is a holiday and I decided to indulge in some of my favorite food, and today I decided to have KFC. So I got a burger. I actually got a combo, but I'm just having the burger. So we ordered a burger, and that's what it looks like. Okay, I have some chips, fries, whatever you want to call them, and then I'm gonna have these nuggets, and I got some sweet chili sauce to dip. So yeah guys, like I said, this is a live update, and the update is that, well, obviously probably this video is gonna go up after I've uploaded my COVID experience vlog. And yeah, so I'm out of isolation. I guess I can say I'm COVID free, although I still do have like a little bit of a cough and my body just kind of like trying to recoup and get back to the way it was, because it's been through a lot. And yeah, so actually before we start, I'm gonna try the nuggets. Yeah, they're good. I mean, they're okay. So like I was saying, I'm still dealing with a cough and such, and I just do feel kind of tired and such. Also emotionally and mentally I'm just really exhausted, but other than that I'm fine. It was a very emotionally and mentally draining 10 days, to be honest. Like, take care of yourselves, because this new variant seems to be very easy to catch. It feels like a flu, honestly, like just like a common flu. At least for me, that's how it felt. Okay, let's try this burger. First of all, let's look at this burger. Yeah. I don't like the fact that, first of all, I don't like tomatoes in my burger, but that's whatever. I don't mind it, but I don't like it. And then the chicken, it's long on a. My OCD is just like, no, I'm not having it. So yeah, that's how it is. Let's give it a try and see how it is. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this, honestly, I'll give it a 4. I just don't like how huge the chicken is, like, but hey, this really isn't much to it. It's just okay. I can't believe that I'm actually eating on camera, because I used to be the type of person that was so shy. I still am low-key shy or shy in front of people, but I don't know, maybe it's with age thing. Maybe with age you just kind of like get over it and you just like accept, well, you know what, people eat, and that's that. But yeah, like I was saying, I've been missing in action for 10 days isolation, and it was very draining emotionally and mentally. The last few days I would honestly just break down, and the main reason for that was because I don't like to feel like I'm a burden on people's lives, and I don't like to bother people. I do not like to be restricted. I do not like to feel trapped and limited by by things, especially in situations where I'm like, I know I can do this for myself, but I can't because of the circumstances that I am currently facing. So I didn't feel good at all. I think maybe day 6, 7 I started to really start coughing a lot. I was coughing, and that's what I'm still dealing with right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like my voice is also kind of like, I feel like this camera is struggling to focus on my face. I'm not sure, but anyway, like even now my my voice is a little bit weird, and even in the way that I talk, I pause a lot because I don't want to cough. I don't like to talk too much because I end up coughing a lot. And now I'm eating and I'm talking at the same time. It's a recipe for disaster, but you know what? It's fine. Anything for content. But yeah, other than that, I obviously wasn't able to go to work. And that's another thing. It frustrates me when I see situations where a person will know that they have flu-like symptoms, but they will still expose other people by going to work. I understand for that people who just have no choice but to go to the office and go to work, but if you are in a situation where you do have an option to work from home, I would highly recommend that you choose that, especially on days when you're not feeling well, because it's not just about you, but you're also exposing other people that you work with, the people in your building, the people in your organization. You know, you're exposing them to stuff like that, and we don't know, right? But you know that what kind of illnesses are they already dealing with and such. You don't know will their immune systems be able to catch on whatever you have, you know. So it frustrates me when I see people just still going to the office, still going out, doing unnecessary like social gatherings and stuff like that, and then they come and they infect people with COVID, and then now it's just a mess, and it's just it frustrates me, but you can't force them to implement certain things. Anyway, I hope that you guys are doing good. Have you been affected directly? And by directly, I don't mean have you gotten the virus. I don't just mean that, but like maybe people around you, you know, family members or something. How did you cope with that? How did you deal with that? Honestly, my heart goes out. It goes out to everyone that lost loved ones in this season, and I pray that God will just give you comfort. It's a very tough season. I also want to encourage you guys, where, you know, even though we are strong, you don't have to always be strong. We can be strong for one another. When your friend or your loved one is going through something, and they just need to just break down, let's be there for one another. Be your friend's strength. Be your loved one's strength. Give them that chance if they need it to just break down, because I've come to realize that personally, okay, I can't finish this because it's not, I'm not very happy about it. So like I was saying, I've come to realize that sometimes staying strong for too long is what can lead us to our breaking point. And when we get to that breaking point, it becomes so bad because we've been strong for so long that now we just you've bottled things up for so long, you've bottled so many things up, and now you're just kind of like, I can't do it anymore. And for me, I think I'm starting to realize that I need to always allow myself that grace to break down when I need to. In the moment, you know, feel whatever it is that I'm feeling, you know, feel the pain. Feel the pain and acknowledge the pain. And sometimes I just need to just sit in it to understand it and understand how to best deal with it, to appreciate what is going on, to understand what is going on, so that when I move on from it, or when I work towards healing from it, I know exactly what I'm healing from. I have a clear diagnosis of what exactly I'm dealing with. You know, just like with any other illness, you know, pain and grief and loss, I feel like you need to allow yourself to examine that pain, examine that experience, and give yourself the right diagnosis. Allow yourself to heal, and for you to know exactly what you need to be healing from. You need to be able to confront whatever it is that you're going through. So that's what I'm learning. I allow myself to have my moments, to have my weak moments, and then we move on. You know, you're allowed to have your weak moments then. I encourage that, but let it be just that, a moment. Don't sit in it for too long. Don't dwell on it for too long, because then you'll go into a depression. And when I say I know how depression is, I know. I've been through the pills and everything. My camera stopped recording. But that's a sign that I need to wind up the video. Okay, so yeah, this is my last chicken nugget. And then we will close off the video. I'm so full. Like, I'm really full. Okay, Okay, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me eat and you enjoyed this very impromptu and very chilled type video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know how you're doing. How are you? And just, yeah, let's engage in whatever it is that I talked about. I can't even remember everything that I talked about because I was jumping from one thing to another. It was just a conversation. It was kind of me spewing or spilling out whatever I had on my mind. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I got a KFC beanie. Very happy about that. I think this video is not sponsored by KFC, but you know what? If you guys do want to sponsor the girl, like hit me up. My email is in the description box and on the screen somewhere. I mean, you can sponsor a girl. I don't mind. I ain't gonna say no to that. And now I'm seriously ending the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on whatever it is that I talked about on this video. Let me know how you're doing. Remember to stay safe, sanitize, wear your mask. Don't do anything that you know is gonna just put you and your loved ones in danger or risk. Okay, I need to stop talking now because yeah, now I can feel her. I'm gonna be coughing up. I don't know. It's just a mess. It's a mess. But anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoyed this amazing family. Love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.